Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to send a Snapchat to everyone inside your Snapchat app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get started. All right, open up your Snapchat app on your phone and then create a Snapchat. And then from here, you want to click onto send to as you normally would. And now, if you've already got a shortcut created with everyone inside your Snapchat, that will be located top of your screen here where these emojis are. But if you don't have one of these created, let's go ahead and create one. So go ahead and click on the plus icon and then click on new shortcut. And then from here, select everyone inside your Snapchat. So I'll go ahead and do that now. All right, as you can see, everyone inside my Snapchat has been added. I'll quickly do that again, just disappeared for some reason. All right, I've redone it. And now what you need to do is choose a emoji for this shortcut. So I'm just gonna use this one. And now click on create shortcut. And now that shortcut has been created. So if I go back and if I click on that shortcut here, and then click on select all, so that's selected everyone inside that shortcut, which is all of my friends in this Snapchat account. And now go ahead and click on send. That is sent to everyone inside my Snapchat. So your future Snapchats, if you want to send to all, create a Snapchat and then select that shortcut and then click on send. So that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.